whistle baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and come real close. Can you blow my whistle baby, whistle baby? Here we go. I'm betting you like people, and I'm betting you love freak mode. And I'm betting you like girls, but give love to girls to stroke your little ego. Bet you I'm guilty, your honor. This is how we live in my genre. Who in the hell can pay the road wider? There's only